Science believes that mind is something to do with the brain, and without the brain there is no mind. Descartes said that the mind was unextended thinking substance and wasn't in the body at all. Imagine how different science would be if it accepted that there was something other than just the space-time domain of matter. What if there was also an immaterial domain of thinking substance outside space and time? This is the domain of Cartesian thinking substance. It's a singularity, a frequency domain, rather than a space-time domain. Descartes was a dualist. He believed that the mind and body were two separate and distinct entities, but he insisted that the body was a less certain thing than the mind, because the body, like everything else in the world, could only be sensed, and the senses can be deceived as dreams prove. We could all have dream bodies rather than real bodies. We experience our body in a dream as real. Moreover, it takes a mind, a subject, to sense any objects. Objects without subjects are impossible. There would exist nothing to sense them and know of their existence. Scientists believe that a world that cannot be sensed is possible. Such a world is not only empirically impossible to detect, since there is nothing to detect it, but it is impossible to assign any properties to it. The assignment of properties is done by minds. Without minds, no properties can be assigned. Kant took this to mean that the world in itself is unknowable. Fichte, Schelling, and Hegel said that such a world could not exist at all. Only a mental world can exist. A scientific world without mind is a strict rational impossibility. Schopenhauer agreed with Kant that an unknowable world existed, but he designated it in mental terms as a blind, striving will, a mind world. Don't you get it? The material world of science cannot exist. Scientists don't realize they're necessarily studying a mental world, all flowing from Descartes' thinking substance, the existence of which science wrongly, utterly denies.